Okay, this is the review for last time that I saw this course. This is a simple reverse string, so I'm gonna try to do this exercise today. So convert this. So I don't know if I remember how to convert to decimal. I remember there is something like this. Let me see if I can create a new one here. Whoa, I don't want to close, sorry. I'm gonna use this guy here. This free. I don't have money to use this. Not now. So what I'm saying is, for what I remember, we can thinking about solving convert a decimal integer divided by 2. So we keep dividing by 2 until that we find coefficient of the divisor, and this guy is 1, I guess, and we backtrack this. The rest, the model from the division. So then it's equal to 1 0 1 0. Okay. Okay. I think I can. A simple solution would be dividing this guy and I should be dividing this by 2 until I found this last result is 1. So let's try to create some code here, because I can think about while. This guy is cheap because I will be creating I'm going to say story model division, something like this. Divided then by 2 until you find quotient 1. I don't know if this will work. It's quotient 1 or not. I believe it is. So f is 1. We should stop. I'm gonna say break because it's more Pythonic break. I'm gonna take this, guys, for now. This is so not gonna put this. So store model division divided by 10. Divided 10 by 2. If quotient is 1, break. If not, it should be store model. So I believe this can work. It's very simple. Okay, I should be storing model division, but now I'm gonna say what I'm gonna use to start. If I use an array, I guess. If I use array, for example, I'm terrible, guys. I'm using mouse, so I'm really sorry about my draws. I need to buy a pencil, digital pencil. So if I put an array, the model, I think it's gonna be something like this: 0, 1, 0, 1, and I can reverse this. And return what I want. That is 1, 0, 1. Okay. Array, or at least Python. I think this is. But we are talking about stacks, and I I think that I stack here. I can just be popping up. Just let me think about stack here. So I can get this division. I put 0 here. 1, 0, and 1. So when I finish, I can pop, I guess, just pop elements from this stack, and this guy will be returning me what I want. So when I pop up this, I'm gonna have 1, 0, 1, 0. So pop will reverse. Okay, so I can think now this as initialize stack. While division is not 1, divide divide the numerator. I believe it's numerator. I don't remember more. Numerator and denominator. Yes. Numerator, denominator. Yes. So divide the numerator by denominator. Guy goes off. Divide the numerator. Get model. And if division is 1, get model. So I need to get model. Then if I need to store, let me think here better. Get model, store model. I'm gonna say push model to stack. Okay, get model, push model to stack. And if the division is 1, I should push the quotient to the stack. So this guy will be the different, the only different operation that is placing, should be placed the last element here. So okay, push constitutive break. And I need just one more thing here, that is another loop. So for I'm gonna say for draw in stack for item, gonna create an empty list here. Items. Initializes with Z, or I don't remember how. Initialize. Initiate is better. Yes, initiate is better. So initiate items list. Let me push this here. For item in items. I'm gonna ban the item. Items. I'm gonna ban the item. To this, but there is a error here. This guy is not item. For items in, I need to look over the. So for I'm not gonna use the index for E and range the len of the stack. Stack. I believe we can use len stack, I guess. So append stack. So when I pop up, I'm gonna get from the top of the stack, retrieve the element, and I'm gonna build in this list here, and then I'm gonna print the list. Items. Okay, I don't know if this will work. Let's try to create a simple example here. So previously I create the class, the stack class. So this is the same thing that it's used here in the stack. So I'm not gonna talk about this. And now I am building I'm trying to build this solution here. So I need to import this stack, use this stack. So from stack, import the class. It should be working. I don't know why it's not working. Let me check this. It's working. Okay, stack dot get stack big question is empty. Let me see. It's empty. Yes. So now I can use the stack. So I initialize the stack, and I'm gonna see. I'm gonna create a variable. I'm gonna call this feasible. Start is false, and I create while is divisible. I'm gonna keep dividing the element. In this case, I'm gonna create yes. I'm going to say that this guy is 10. Numerator. Denominator. Let's see this. So let me see. I can divide this by quotient. I don't need the quotient here. I know that I can get the model the rest using this notation here in Python, but I don't know if I can retrieve both of them. Let me ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT. Is it possible retrieve quotient and model in Python using the percentage operator? The model will retrieve both quotient and the remainder. You typically use \model. So okay, I'm gonna use this, and this is not the division. This will return a float, so this guy is right. GPT knows more than me. So it is divisible. I'm gonna get call and got the model, and now you push as stack dot push this model. Let me see what's going on here. If flow is equal to 1, just break. Let me check if this is gonna work. Okay, there is one problem here. So after all the divisions, none should be equal to their division. Okay, makes sense, because I have 10 here, for example, divided by 2, 4 will be 5. Now I need to divide 5 and keep doing this. So let me see if this will stop. If this guy is 1, this guy need to be true. Yes, it's finished. Let me see what we have in our stack. Nothing. Nice. It really doesn't work. Let's use simple debug. Okay, this guy's not working. Oh my god, this guy is true, man. I am doing it wrong. It's wildly true, not false. Oh shit. Now I remove my break here. So call as equal to 1, and some moment should be and 2. Let me see this. 0, 1, 0, and I forgot to push this last operation here. And this print will not work because it should be at the end, I guess. So okay, let's restart here. So it seems that we have the 0, 1, 0, 1. So it seems to be working, this situation. So what I need to do now is reverse my code. So I'm gonna initiate my list items, and now I'm gonna loop over this guy. I don't need element here, so I'm gonna just loop it over. Just let me check one thing. I don't know if this will gonna work. It's not gonna work. I believe I implemented something. I need to get the stack, okay, and I need to get the size of the stack. Now it's gonna work. So this range will be the length of the get stack. It's a method that return me the stack itself. So now that I am looping over the elements or not, yeah, stacked is different. I don't need the index, so I'm gonna append the stack, and I'm gonna pop up the element, and I hope that after this we should have the binary representation of our integer, decimal integer. It seems to be working. Okay, I think this is a fair solution, I guess. So we could change this. We could create, for example, here a function, reverse division, something like this, and we can pass numerator, denominator, and stuff like this, and can return return items, for example. But I'm not gonna do this now. I would just try to. I'm gonna just create something here just to remember. Try to read something about this. Okay. I'm gonna say this is the first idea, and this guy, I don't remember if I think I can do something like and I'm gonna say this is the pseudocode, my pseudocode, and now we'll pass this guy here. As you can see, my pseudocode is almost in Python language. You know, it's kind of good to do this, I guess. Because Python is it's a very easy language. Oh my gosh! What is happening here? I don't know what is happening here. Oh, okay. I'm using code cell. Don't want code cell, I want markdown cell. So notebooks are good because of this, I guess. We can think, and I believe I can also put some image here, but I need to start the image. I don't know. This is so this is a so simple. This is a very easy problem that I will not be bothering me to keep tracking of what I did here. It's just to I have problems to develop solutions, to code solutions from the scratch. So I'm trying to improve this. So this is why I'm doing this. So I'm following this guy, and this is a problem, and I'm trying to create some logical line here to solve my problem. So the first step was thinking about the problem, then try to understand the elements of the problem. So when I say this, the elements of the problem, they are, for example, these guys here. So for example, the model, the denominator, the numerator. So I believe this is the second part here. I'm gonna put here just because it's more related to these guys. So the third part was try to have an idea, think about these elements, and maybe this is the second part where I'm thinking about, the things that should be happen, the idea, and I will put this guy here, and will be the fourth step. That's it's the pseudocode, something like the pseudocode here. So let me try to organize this better, just to become more organized. I'm not an organized guy. I want to be, so this is why I'm doing this. Okay. And this is it. This is my first solution here. And we have the code itself. So it seems to be working. And for today, I'm gonna just be stopping here. So I believe tomorrow I will be back here and doing the next solution. Here is the exercise, here's the solution. I don't have the solution, I don't have the money to pay this course, so I'm just following the summary that they give here for free, I guess. And so I believe these tags are, I did everything from these tags here. So the first step is what is tag, how it works, then try to create a solution, determine if brackets are balanced. This was I believe it was a challenge problem. I create a solution. I will be putting a video in the YouTube that I did. I will try to improve the video that I did. It wasn't good enough, so I'm gonna put this solution here. It's more complex. This is the code that I did. And the next topic was with string using stack, and this reverse string helped me to solve this. So okay, for today I believe I finished stack, and the next steps will be working with single linked lists. So we have a lot of data structure and algorithms to work, so let's keep tracking this. So bye bye guys.